Hello, bonjour, guten tag, buenos dias, dobrý den. Welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronika Mii and today I would like to show you how to create beautiful acrylic pour with all these lovely colors. Today I'll be using light blue, lavender, magenta, alizarin crimson, Indian yellow, cadmium yellow, yellowish green, turquoise and violet permanent for my swiping color. I buy these in local art shop, but I'm sure they are available somewhere online. You will just have to search them because you come from all over the world and different countries have got different options. Of course, you can use whatever you like, but I love using these colors. So I would like to describe what I did with my colors. I mixed my colors with pouring medium in ratio 1:1. Usually it's ratio 1:1 and the consistency looks like this, like honey. And I make my own pouring medium from glue and water because it's a very cheap option for pouring medium, and I've never tried fluidartro because I can't get it in my country. That's why I started to make my own cheap pouring medium, which works well for me. I use PVA glue, 60% of glue, 40% of water. That's it. That's the magic for your pouring medium. I will also add 2 drops of silicone oil in each color because I would like to get some nice cells. So there's just 2 drops in each color like that, and then I'm gonna mix it up just a little bit, not too much. So now we can skip to creative part. So as I said, I've got my big canvas here. Sorry about the shadow, it's very sunny today. And I'm gonna start pouring my colors here. I will be pouring these lines of colors like this, and as a swiping tool I'll be using this piece of plastic, which is great swiping tool. You could also use baking paper or cling film or any kind of plastic which you find at home, and that's a great tool for swiping. So let's start pouring my colors. I'm gonna start from this beautiful turquoise color and just pour the line here. Then my yellowish green, yellow, and as I said, this violet will be my swiping color. So let's pour this violet here on this edge like this, and I'm gonna swipe all the way down. And let's use my torch, little torch, cheap one, and it helps to pop these cells. Wow, look at that colorful splash. I'm gonna show you a little detail. Look at these beauties. But it's not done yet. So let's swipe back and see what happens. use my heat gun again and pop all of these beautiful colors. Wow. Look at that! Should I keep these lines of colors here and there? I think I could. I think these cells will stretch and they will create amazing structure on my canvas. I love these. I love the combination of colors in all these beautiful cells. I just wish this shadow wasn't here, but well, that's today. Let's show you a little detail. Look at that. Such a beautiful splash of colors. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this and see what happens when it gets dry. I think these cells will stretch and move and create amazing pattern. And after half an hour, my cells completely changed their shape. I think it was because I had too much color in the middle. But look at it. I can already see a beautiful sunset. This is the sky and this is the sea, or some kind of land, and beautiful sunset in between them. So I already have got many ideas how to improve this pour. So when it gets dry, I'm gonna get back to you and show you what to do next. Welcome back. After a week, my pour is dry, and it's very important to let this completely dry, otherwise you would take the paint off. And I absolutely love how this turned out. The middle cells stretched a lot, but it's okay. I think I had too much color in the middle, but I absolutely love it because it reminds me of beautiful clouds and amazing like a scenery and the light reflection from the sunshine. And what I would like to do now is turn this middle part into a shiny piece, so it just represents the shine from the sunset. And for that I'll be using glue from Arteza, and I also have got these beautiful shiny leaves. I've got 3 colors: golden, silver and rose gold. And when I put it here, first I wanted to add the gold color in there, but then I changed my mind and decided to put this rose gold on it, because I think it will complete these colors very well if the rose gold will be here in the middle part. So I will apply my glue in the middle section here, and then put my golden rose gold leaf here to create a beautiful effect. So I will just put the glue here and then use my brush to spread it where I want it. For that I'm using this type of brush for painting, size 14. You can use whatever brush you prefer. Okay, time to put my leaf on it. I'm just gonna apply it here. Now I'm gonna divide these 2 parts by making shades on each part. So this one will be dark. I'm gonna use my earth green for that. This one, green earth. And this one I will put some light marker on these clouds to make it pop. And this is the result of my sunset pour, and I absolutely love the shine which is here in the middle. And of course you could just keep it simple and don't embellish it at all, but I like adding these little details to make it look more special. So I hope this tutorial was inspirational for you. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give a thumbs up or share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to my channel and see many more interesting videos, or join my Facebook group which is called Create With Me and show us your beautiful art. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are happy and healthy. I can't wait to see you again. Bye!